Hey there! Welcome back to the Hamstech Fixer YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the time limit feature in Telegram to auto-remove a user from your group after a specific date. This powerful option allows you to control how long someone can stay in your group, which is especially useful for temporary access, limited time promotions, or controlled testing groups. I'll walk you through the exact steps, show you where the feature is located inside the Telegram app, explain what each setting means, and demonstrate how the auto removal works in real time. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create invite links with expiration rules, set a specific date for automatic removal, and manage your group access like a pro. First, you can see I have both the Telegram app and the Nicegram app installed on this phone. I'll be using Telegram as the group owner to manage the settings and control the group, while Nicegram will act as a normal member to show how the time limit feature affects regular users. This setup allows us to clearly demonstrate the process from both perspectives, what the admin sees when creating and managing the link, and what the member experiences when their access is automatically removed after the set time. Here, I'm opening the test group that I created earlier. As you can see, this is the group I set up specifically to test the time limit feature. You can also clearly see who the admin of the group is, which in this case is me. This setup helps us follow the process step by step, from creating the time-limited invite link to observing how the feature works with regular members in real time. Now I'm going to the group settings in the Telegram app, then selecting Invite Links. From here, I tap on Create a new link, and set it so only one person can join the group using that link. This is done by choosing Limit by Number of Users and setting the limit to 1. Once that's done, I simply tap Create, and the system generates a unique invite link. After that, I copy the invite link so I can use it to join the group from the Nicegram app, and demonstrate how the time limit works in action. Next, I switch to the Nicegram app. Using the copied invite link, I join the group from my second account. This second account is a regular member with no admin permissions, so it helps clearly demonstrate how the time limit feature affects normal users. After joining, you'll see the group from the member's point of view, which makes it easy to understand what happens when the time limit expires, and Telegram automatically removes the user. After joining, I show the members in the group. Now you can see two members listed: the owner account, which is the admin controlling all the settings, and the Nicegram account, which is the normal member who joined through the limited invite link. This clearly confirms that the link worked, the user successfully entered the group, and everything is set up correctly for testing the time limit feature. Then I long press on the normal user who joined from Nicegram. From the menu that appears, I select Change Permissions to access the user's specific controls. Inside the Duration section, I choose Custom Date, which allows me to set an exact day and time for how long this user can stay in the group. This custom date acts as the official time limit for that specific member. Once the selected date and time are reached, Telegram will automatically remove the user from the group without you needing to do anything manually. This makes it extremely useful for temporary access, paid memberships, trial users, or limited time test groups. Using this method, you have full control over how long any user stays in your Telegram group. That's it. This is how you set a time limit for a member and automatically remove them after the selected duration. This feature is simple, powerful, and perfect for managing temporary access in your groups without any manual work. Once the timer reaches the date you set, Telegram handles everything automatically. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel. Your support means a lot and helps me bring you more useful Telegram tricks, tech guides, and problem fix videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.